Nasaan ka kaninang umaga?
Where were you this morning?
Saan mo gustong pumunta?
Where do you want to go?
Nasaan ka?
Where are you?
Saan ka nagpunta?
Where did you go?
Saan ka nanggaling?
Where have you been?
Nasaan na siya?
Where is he?
Saan ka nakatira?
Where do you live?
Saan mo gustong kumain ng hapunan?
Where do you want to eat dinner?
Saan mo inilagay?